What is up, Shane Squad? How are you today? Hope you are having an awesome, amazing day. Look how beautiful it is out here. We are going somewhere. I have no idea where we're going, and it turned out the plans have changed. Yesterday I told you guys we were supposed to go with my mom and my grandma to the spray park. Well, they end up changing their minds and they have to take my other sister somewhere. I think we're still going to go to the spray park, but I'm not for sure. I think we have to go do something for Jen's mom. I have a couple of vlogs I have to finish editing, and then I'll have the vlog done, and all I have to do is wait till I get home to upload it, and the vlog will be going up on time today. I gotta keep myself motivated, as I told you guys yesterday. What, Midnight? You can't go with us. Yeah, you can't go with us, Midnight.
You know where the speaker is?
The red one's right there.
What you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air.
It's pretty down this way. This is a weird gas station. Look at this. It's funky looking. It's funky. It's funky. I haven't seen one like that before. And it's so tiny. Gosh, it's so tiny in here. Like, look how small. Huh? It's so tiny in here. Oh, it gets a little bit bigger back here.
You want something from the fountain or you want here? Bottle.
The fountain would probably be better, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my gosh, they have your things.
Oh, girl, they do.
And it's spicy hot ones. There's
If we
more.
get it, you'll eat it all on me.
We came to the Speedway, and they actually have the sweet and sour sauce that Jen's been looking for.
This right here. It's life. This is a life right here.
They're so good with the burritos that they
I
have.
asked everybody, every Speedway we went to.
Why don't you just go to a Chinese place?
Because it's not the same. I know! She said it's pretty good. Oh, I know. You want some?
Okay. If me and him do hook up together.
We just came over here to, I don't know what this place is, the welfare office, but I'm gonna go walk around until they get done, because I just don't like being in those type of places. Already? Really?
I didn't know what you was doing.
Well, I was gonna go walk around.
Do you
It's Hannah Montana.
try to sing me bad?
No. I'm gonna sing my very, very best, okay?
Plug your ears.
That's rude as fuck. That's my warm up. Oh no! Shut up! She's laughing. You're laughing too.
The radio doesn't even want to play it.
Play in the other game.
Error. It says error.
Oh, this is awful. This is like
The radio hates it.
Hannah Montana sucks.
I just want to sing one song.
What is it?
Rockstar.
She got it to work.
I got it. I don't know if it's gonna stay. Skipping. Walk a little faster in the school hallway just to get next to you.
Down.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Everybody has those days. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody gets those ways. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way. Yeah, I'd be crazy. I do it anyway. Perfect. You live and you learn it. I mean, mess it up sometimes. Nobody's perfect.
It turns on me.
Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. Nobody's perfect. You live and you learn it. Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. You gotta say hey. You gotta say hey, hey. Welcome to my house.
He's laughing.
Welcome to my house.
You probably just made his day.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
My hair's falling.
When you go like this.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
Cause your lips are moving. Should I tell my grandma about what?
That you found the sweet and sour sauce.
Oh no, but look. The sweet and sour sauce at Speedway
Somebody called Gabrielle's grandma.
that I've been searching for every time we go to Speedway, and I always ask, are you guys ever gonna get sweet and sour sauce back?
I've never heard anything about Speedway and sweet and sour sauce before.
Yeah, I've been searching for it for a long time.
Well, I've never heard anything about it.
Oh, well, my bad! Well, now you
I
know!
don't get it, because I've never heard anything about
Okay,
it.
when we get the tornado things, we always got the sweet and sour sauce. But then eventually we haven't got them for a while. But now that we started getting them back, they took the sweet and sour sauce away. And I'm like, why? Nobody has it. Then we went to Ironton to pay the water bill and stuff. We stopped at that Speedway because she was like, I want something to drink. So we stopped at the Speedway and got 89 cents something. But 2 of them was for free, and we paid 85 cents for one. And Shay was like, oh my god, they have the sweet sauce. Oh my god. And I asked the lady, I was like, can I have this package? She's reached over, grabbed a handful, and was like, here. And I'm like, oh my god, thank you.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing. We got a new toothbrush.
Ups.
Kind of flowers back here.
Hi, Petey. Hi, Petey. Precy. Hi, Precy. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, Precy? Meow. You like being outside, huh? You like being outside, Precy? Meow. No, you want your belly rubbed. Look how fat and fluffy you're getting. Yeah, you're getting so fat and fluffy. Yeah. It's a pretty kitty. Pretty bird. Yeah. Burr, 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 burr. Did I?
You're sitting on a hammer.
Hammer, it was in my butt. I didn't know because the light camera was in my butt.
Let's go all the way back. No, I'm just kidding.
We're gonna go over to McDonald's to get something off the dollar menu.
Ow!
My gosh.
Oh, she
No, that's. Ah! Stop it!
Ow!
Stop it.
Doesn't blue and red make purple?
What kind of question is that?
What?
I don't wear underwear, it's a waste of money.
Here, since you came with us.
No.
What?
Just hold it there.
Precy! Hi, Precy. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, Precy? Doesn't it look nice out here? Online, I was looking online, and they have this place up for rent for $700 a month, and it actually looked nice in the pictures. recording. I didn't know you was...
I thought you were.
No! I was waiting for the hummingbird to come by.
I got scared.
Well, she was repeating everything I said, so I went like
so I
this.
went like this.
She's waiting for it
She's
now.
waiting for it now.
They're being good now.
No, I just ain't talking.
No, I just ain't talking.
She gonna repeat
She gonna
everything
repeat
you say.
everything I say.
Ew.
What's the-
Ew. Ew, no.
Oh,
Ew, no, that's nasty.
No, I won't waste it.
she's not worth it.
What are you doing?
There's a skeeter. I'm trying to wait for it.
That's your crotch. It's going wrong.
Oh, I see him. Oh, he's over here somewhere.
Go ahead, land on my leg.
I
Go
know.
ahead. Go ahead, land on my leg, bitch.
Oh, please land on me. I'll kill you in a second. Got him.
Mosquito.
Noogie.
Ha 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 ha. No, nothing for you to do. To your friends.
Yeah.
She's got that turn. You got him down there too.
I think we're doing okay.
That was Jen.
That was my tatas.
And Shay.
That wasn't me.
It was all her.
Yeah,
She's crazy.
just have to let it out sometimes. You know?
There's another skeeter. Get away! Where-
Oh, I heard you want to go ride in that police car. That looks like so much fun going down the hill.
Yeah.
Tell me about,
I forgot to mention that to you tonight, and that's right.
It's not, it looks fun. We can ride it right down here.
yeah, that's what I said.
Hillside
I go
right
tell
there.
you all ride it. Let's see what they all get ready.
I could even run into that hillside right there.
So the guy that lives down the road, they have this little toy cop car, and Jen told him that she would ride it down the hill. So I think he's gonna bring it up here, and Jen's gonna ride it down the hill.
I told him a long time ago, I said, that little car right there, I said, is it any good? I said, I would like to have that little car out here. And he says, why? I said, because we ride it down the hill. That's what we do. He goes, what?
They were testing it out to make sure it works. Comes a car. It's actually bigger than the red one.
You guys are nuts, man. I have fucking seen some real.
Shay, you better put your big old ass in that car.
Okay, there you go, speedster.
So scared. I thought I was gonna hit the mailbox, and I'm just glad I went to the other side.
It was almost like me at the park.
Any other cars?
Be prepared to drop that load down. Shut your door, Shay. Safety. Seatbelts. Seatbelts.
She went did it better than I could have. I think there's a car.
Oh, I see he pulls on the rope to stop it for the brakes.
Safety.
Hey, you got that right on Flintstone.
They're down there working on it.
Did you have so much fun?
It wasn't that bad. It was actually pretty fun.
I told you it's pretty fun.
The steering's not that. It was fine with me.
That's why I told you to start lower than I did. Because once it got caught and I tried to jerk it back over, it wasn't jerking back over.
Oh, he's gonna do it now. It's not that bad.
I don't know, I'm gonna try it again. Maybe I could.
Oh, that was awesome. You gotta steer.
He almost got ran over.
Oh, that's
Oh, this would be easier for you.
Oh.
How far did she go?
I don't know, to the park. Shay's halfway home. Yeah, she rode the... Yeah, it looks like it's a lot funner. It's faster. And she went down really easily, too.
Go get your exercise today, Jen.
Oh, definitely.
That was fun. I went all the way around the curve. I was like,
Go on, Jen. Go, stop being a little bitch. Go! Hey, are you a sissy little bitch like this person?
I did it.
Because that person did it.
Yes.
Go. Jen wants to go.
I'm gonna die. This is how I die.
Okay, this is Jen before she dies.
This is me before I
This
die.
is Jen before she dies.
Oh my god,
It's not that high, look.
And be careful turning, or else you'll turn real quick.
I flip and
But
die.
Just don't turn.
Just
Just
be
don't
careful.
turn. Don't turn, just go down to him. Come on, Jen, you got this. Go, 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 go! Look at this big ass hill right now that I have to walk up. Just gotta walk slowly down it. What you want?
It wasn't bad, it was fun. It sounds like balls.
Well,
There, that was better.
oh, yep. This is gonna be his first time trying this. He just did what Jen did and go straight.
He went almost all the way up the hill. Yes! You're under arrest. Yeah, it's all clean. Those are just blankets and stuff I haven't got to yet. It's fucking dragging me over.
Oh!
She went ham.
Look at Jen's foot.
It's not bad, it just stings. It's not bad.
We actually started a little trend because they had these cars and they never got them out and thought of this. So now that we did it, they're wanting to ride it.
You go, girl.
Oh, I thought you almost flipped. Oh, he broke a tire too. He broke it.
You broke a tire?
Look.
Get your shit together!
So what you wanna do? And if you don't have a clue, let it go. I'll tell you what to do. You see me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it.
Alright guys, we made it back home and I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Make sure to turn my post notifications on so you never miss a new video. Make sure to stay positive and never give up. I will see you guys tomorrow.